Hey everyone, Joe here at Legacy. Alright, if you have not bought a Ford vehicle in the last 6 years, this is going to be new to you. So Ford has capless fuel caps, meaning that there's no cap on any of our gas tanks. So let's check this out. All you do, open it up, shove the nozzle in. All this means is there's not going to be any check engine light and makes it ease of use. So you're not going to lose anything. There's not going to be anything dangling as you forgot and drive by. It's going to be banging the deal. Some guy's going to roll his window down and be yelling at you. There's none of that. One of our customers actually came and said, well, what if somebody puts sand in our fuel tank? And I said, God, what kind of enemies do you have? I don't know. The answer to that is kind of simple. There's actually a metal door in there that needs a hard metal nozzle to break through that. What's provided in all of our vehicles is actually a plastic funnel in order to break through that door in there, allowing you to, if you ever do run out of gas, you'll be able to fill it up with the plastic nozzle from the gas can. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next one.